so good to be out here. Alright guys, what's up? So I'm back again, guys. It's been a while since I've been out here. It's been a while since I've been on the kayak, period. Probably been about a good 6 to 8 months since I've paddled. A while back I bought this Warren paddles, and absolutely love it, man. It's light as a feather, does the job, saves my wrists, and helps me paddle for long distances for a whole lot longer. And today I'm going to be paddling probably a good, if I had to guess, maybe 2 miles across the bay. I won't give out the exact details of the exact location I'm going to be at, but I will say that this area has decent structure. You got some grass lines that are up close to the banks, and there's a couple scattered reefs here and there. We fish anywhere from about 3 to 5 foot of water. Really hoping on some big early morning trout, and possibly running into some reds as it warms up. So that's the plan for today. Looks like I'm already getting into shallow shit trying to cross the bay. It's got a low tide going on today. Anyways, guys, don't want to take too much of y'all's time up. This video is going to be totally simple. Taking it old school, like my first 2 or 3 videos that y'all ever seen from me. Just a quick, let y'all know what's going on. And then we're just going to hop straight into some action. So, with that said, I'm done talking, guys. I'm going to continue paddling. Get myself to the spot. And then hopefully we'll rip some lips on some big old trout. Alright? Okay, there it is. Oh man. Alright, got him. Got him. Got one in the boat. Alright, so currently looking about 50 degrees out here. I'm fishing a shoreline. A lot of people probably think that to catch nice fish when it's cold, you gotta be fishing channels and deep water. Not necessarily, man. It does not always work that way. You'll be surprised what you can catch in shallow waters. We have a low tide condition right now, and it's not a trophy trout. It's nothing special. It's just a nice fatty, If I had to guess, 17 and a half, 18 inches. We'll probably measure them out here, but look at that. Got him on a Texas Rattler jig head, 1/4 ounce on a Caden lure. Just dragging it on bottom, Fishing about a foot and a half of water. The water's actually pretty damn cold out here. That's why you're able to catch them. You gotta remember that it's heating up. We're about 10 o'clock in the day already. So he's a 19-inch trout. That's not bad at all. I'll put him on a stringer. There it is. Okay, we're on them again. Alright. He's staying low. Let's see. Alright, another nice trout. buddy. There you go. Number 2. That is number 2, fellas. Another solid trout. I know he's a keeper. He's gonna be about 18 and a half. I'll take it, man. 18 all day long. Texas Rattlers. Folks, y'all probably wonder why I promote Texas Rattler. I will not promote what doesn't work, alright? These jig heads paired with either a Caden lure, matrix shad, or trout support, they do very well. I like Texas Rattler just because just that. I know there's other companies that make these rattle type jigs and little chatter weights and all this other stuff, but compare a jig head, pretty much a chatter weight concept on rattles like that, and you put that right on a lure. There's really no distraction to the fish, you know. It's not something that's over here and your bait's down here, you know. It's just right on it, and that noise, that little noise, just attracts the fish. Now I think about it, you know what? Let me try something right now. I just thought about this. So I actually brought some of this. Let's see if I can find it. There it is. This menhaden oil is a Trout phenomenon with trout. I'm not good at reading that. Phenomenon. I can't read that word. Anyways, we'll just say that I brought some of Rex's secret to catching trout, and it doesn't take very much. Just put a little bit of oil on her. I actually haven't even been using this, so I've caught 2 trout already without even using this oil at all. But I haven't. Might as well try it out. Let's see if it increases our odds of getting the fish here. But that's 2 nice trout within like 10 minutes apart, if that. Drifting. Work these banks hard. Look for some movement on the water. That's the key to fishing shorelines like this, where the structure's all the same. You know, it's just all one grass line, and you got a slight drop off, and it's a low tide. You really got to look for what's popping around. If you ain't getting them in a certain spot, you gotta cover more ground. You gotta move a little bit. Sort of what I've been doing. I know on video y'all probably think, well, this guy already caught 2 trout back-to-back casts. That's not necessarily the case. I probably made 50 casts before that and moved it about 300-400 yards already. You know, I've already worked my way down the shoreline. I tend to try to, as I'm fishing, I'm looking at bait, see a little movement here, mullet swimming around here, bird diving there. Let's make a couple casts at it. See a color change in the water, let's cast at that. You know, let's just gotta look around, work your surroundings. red. Damn it. He grabbed it. He was pissed. That freaking fish, he grabbed it. He didn't even feel like he had it. I didn't really know that he had it. He just ran with it. Straight down. Shoot. There it is. Okay. There. For a second, I thought the bite had shut off. Alright, he's 17 inches. Oh, come here. Very nice one. So we're not catching nothing that's too big. One more trout. We got our limit. There it is. Fellas, that's what you call a healthy stringer right there. Oh man, that's a good day in the water right there. Probably have to do it for me. I really don't see the need to keep fishing. I got my limit already, and that's all I really wanted today. Trying to get my limit. About to head on out of here, right, guys? I'll talk more when I get back to the vehicle. Alright guys, so my GoPro kind of just gave out on me right now. You can go and check this out. Look at the screen. See that little red error message right there? Really small X right there. Anyways, it is not gonna let me record with my GoPro, so I'm gonna go ahead and end the video using my cell phone. Hopefully it comes out pretty good. Anyways, this is it. We're gonna end the video right here, guys, to show y'all what we caught here. We went ahead and caught 5 trout on some Texas Rattler jig heads with a Kayak lure. All right, see where this lure's at. I'm struggling over here, my bad, guys. Said using the phone. All right, that's what we use today. And here is the fish. I'm trying to see it. See right there. See that, guys? 5 little trout. I say little because they're not like no 28, 25s. They're not trophies, not 23s. They're just 17 and 19 inches. It's a good meal. That's what we're hoping for. Anyways, guys, that's pretty much it, guys. I went down that direction, I don't know if you know what that means, but I went down that direction. That's where I caught the fish, and that's all you need to know. All right, so with that said, I gotta pack up, and I'll see y'all later. Make sure you guys, I guess before I close the video, I should tell y'all that, see this shirt here, that logo? All right, I do sell merchandise, guys. I do have an online site now. It is www.mattsfishandadventures.com. You guys can go check out that link. I'll link it down in the description, and you guys can purchase some merchandise. I have about 4 or 5 designs that are currently posted that are for a reasonable price, anywhere from $28 to $30. I do not have the caps posted yet. We'll get that done shortly whenever I order more caps. But for the most part, if you cannot find what you want on there, check out these stores locally: Living Real Salty, Fisherman's Place, and Salty Hookers Bait and Tackle. Right? They also sell my merchandise as well. But give this video a thumbs up if you want to see more action. All right, I am done for the day. Catch y'all later.